शिक्षा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नए अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें।
The joint entrance examination main second session has started from today. The JMain exam is a crucial event in the academic calendar of lakhs of IIT aspirants, which already have been postponed twice due to coronavirus pandemic. The JMain exam will be conducted between September 1 to 6 in online mode, admissions to respective courses. The JMain exam will be held in 2 shifts per day. The first shift will be between 9 am to 12 pm and the second shift will be from 3 pm to 6 pm. For the safety of students, the National Testing Agency released an extensive list of guidelines and rules for students taking the exam. As per the latest JMain 2020 exam guidelines, students were asked to bring a self-declaration form to notify about their health status and a recent travel history. The guidelines for this session were slightly different due to COVID-19. Students were asked to follow some of the important extra precautionary measures during exam and post-exam. Security near examination center was really tight. Proper private and government security was there to prevent anyone stand near 100 meters of center premises. The announcements were made to make students aware about the entry and closing of dates. Security professionals at the exam center were guiding students to maintain social distancing, phased entry, and the use of hand sanitizers. Students were asked to make lines and keep a minimum distance while standing in the queue. Before entering the examination center, students cleaned their hands with soaps and used sanitizer at the entry gate. The examination center also had foot-operated sanitizer dispenser deployed at various locations. Candidates were given new face masks and they were asked to remove their old mask. At the time of entry, the body temperature of students were examined using thermoscans. Some of the things allowed at the JMain exam center were: candidates were asked to bring a self-declaration form regarding their health status and a travel history, a printout of JMain 2020 admit card, a simple and transparent ballpoint pen, a photo identity proof, additional passport size photograph, hand sanitizer, and a transparent water bottle. In case of PWD candidate, they were required to carry a certificate. There were also some of the instructions to be followed post-exam, such as candidates must drop their duly filled JMain admit card in the designated drop box. Candidates need to write their name, their JMain roll number at the top of their rough sheet and place it in the designated drop box before leaving the examination hall. On completion of the exam, candidates will be permitted to leave the exam hall in an orderly manner, such that at a time only one candidate leave the exam hall.